What's up, guys? It's Chris with RestoMods.com. I'm here with Ryan from the Mustang shop of San Diego. They've been taking good care of us. They took care of the 65 Mustang that we gave away. Now they're taking great care of the Factory 5 Cobra that we're about to give away. And so we want to do a little bit on their shop and show you what they're all about, because they build some awesome cars here. And Ryan's going to take us through a couple of those.
Awesome. Thanks for coming out today and checking it out. You guys appreciate it. This is what we do. We take cars from the ground up. We'll have something that's been in somebody's garage for 20, 30 years that they found back somewhere else, and their uncle said, hey, take this car away, and then we turn it into this. So we'll basically do whatever the customer wants, whether it's a straight classic, period correct car, or we'll do a resto mod like, you know, what we're doing now.
Sure.
We'll take a standard little motor and build a 347 stroker out of it.
That doesn't look stock.
It's not at all. No, this guy has pretty much every option you could do. Phytech fuel injection. Again, the AFR heads, those are killer heads. Air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, 4-wheel disc, 5-speed. I mean, everything at this car we threw at it. Lots of power, lots of fun. They're killer cars to drive.
I love a good Mustang. So you guys also don't just stop at Mustangs, though. You do all things Ford.
Yeah. We all classic Fords, and you know, we're actually going to get a Camaro in here soon. So
really,
yeah, man, we're not just to one orientation, but we like all the classics and some of the Fox body stuff too. I mean, we got a couple of newer Mustangs that we're working on for customers. But again, jumping back, we'll shoot to the Broncos. I mean,
I love these.
We'll take this. Basically, this guy up here that's old school and classic, and again, been sitting around forever, and turn into that.
That's a 70s one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this thing. What's in here?
This is a 302. Nothing too crazy, just a lot of torque for this guy. A little bit heavier with the bigger wheels and tires, 4-wheel drive, that kind of thing. So lots of torque, and just all around fun to drive.
These things mostly came with the 3-speed manual. Do you guys keep them that way?
Yeah, no, this one, again, it's up to the customer. We did one earlier that it was all period correct, and it did have the 3 on the tree. This guy, it's AOD. So
okay,
yeah,
cool. Don't tell me anyone ever takes out the 4-wheel drive, though.
You know what? It has been done. So unfortunately, yes, but this guy kept true, and this is an off-road beast.
Yeah, no, this is a beautiful car right here, and you guys have built a lot of them, so I appreciate your time, and Thanks for having us out today.
Thanks for coming. Appreciate you guys.